तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा डॉक्टर मोहम्मद फैसल ने कहा है कि कोयटा में दहशतगर्दी का हमला अफगानिस्तान से हुआ और अफगान हुकूमत को ऐसे हमलों को रोकना होगा। कोयटा धमाकों में अफगान सरजमीन के इस्तेमाल का मामला अफगान हुकूमत के साथ उठाया जाएगा। दफ्तर ख़ारजा की हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग से खिताब करते हुए डॉक्टर फैसल हाशमी का कहना था,
I begin by condemning the terrorist attack in Quetta, in which 6 people, including 4 security forces personnel, were martyred and many others injured. Pakistan's sacrifices in the fight against terrorism continue unabated. Our hearts go out to the bereaved families. We shall not stop in our endeavors to root out terrorism, no matter what the cost. I have to add one line on the despicable incident in Qusur and the death of the young child Zainab. It is a reprehensible act.
गैर मुल्की सफ़ीरों को इंसदाद दहशतगर्दी में पाकिस्तान की काविशों पर तफसीली ब्रीफिंग देते हुए डॉक्टर फैसल हाशमी ने कहा,
Now for the recent happenings on the foreign policy front. The ambassadors, heads of mission of resident missions in Islamabad were briefed yesterday by the foreign minister, the foreign secretary, the chairman, chief of general staff, director general military operations, and DGMI and their team in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on Pakistan's achievements and challenges in the counter-terrorism efforts and combating violent extremism, unprecedented escalation of Indian ceasefire violations along the line of control and the working boundary. The final tally in the year 2017 came to 1970 ceasefire violations, 1970, and the gross Indian atrocities in the Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The foreign minister stated that the briefing had been arranged to inform the diplomatic corps about the massive counter-terrorism efforts that Pakistan had undertaken in the last 16 years, more so in the last 4 years.
भारतीय मकबूजा अफवाज की जानिब से 3 कश्मीरी नौजवानों की शहादत पर बात करते हुए दफ्तर ख़ारजा का कहना था,
The Indian occupation forces martyred 3 more Kashmiri youths, including class 12 teenager Farheen Wani, 20-year-old Khalid Ahmed Dar, and Firdaus Ahmed Mir in Islamabad, Kulgam, and Budgam areas. On 6th January, the Kashmiris observed another dark chapter in their history when in 1993 the Indian occupation forces of BSF mercilessly butchered 57 innocent Kashmiris of Sopore district in the infamous SRTC bus incident. In the said incident, the marauding troops dragged the driver out from the vehicle and shot the passengers in cold blood, killing 20 people on the spot, after which the troopers started spraying gunpowder, petrol and kerosene on the surrounding buildings and torched them, leading to more deaths and grievous injuries.
डॉक्टर फैसल हाशमी ने हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग से खिताब करते हुए मजीद कहा,
Lastly, we are engaged with the US administration on the issue of security cooperation and await further details. It must be appreciated that Pakistan has fought the war against terrorism largely from its own resources, which has cost more than $123 billion in 15 years. We are determined to continue to do all that is necessary to secure the lives of our citizens and ensure broader stability in the region. We believe that our efforts have helped decimate Al-Qaeda and other terrorist groups who took advantage of ungoverned spaces in Afghanistan and posed a common threat to peace and stability. Working towards enduring peace requires mutual respect and trust, along with perseverance. Emergence of new and more deadly groups such as Daesh in Afghanistan require enhancement and strengthening of international cooperation. Arbitrary deadlines, unilateral pronouncements, and shifting goalposts are counterproductive in addressing common threats.
यह है खबर का जहां और आप देख रहे हैं TNN TV।